Alright, so I'll be showing you. Sorry. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create more like an easier approach to creating a responsive outlined button in Figma. So something like this, it's responsive and can also you can build a component variant from it, and you can use it across your design system. So so I'll just walk you through the process. So this is the text. This is an icon. The first thing you need to do is just to have your to draw your rectangle, right? So I make my rectangle black. Now let me hide this one to avoid confusion, right? So this is what we are working on. This is the text. This is the icon. Yeah. So you have to duplicate the rectangle. That's like the first step. Control D. So we have two rectangles, rectangle one, rectangle two, right? So then you select your text, you select your icon, then you apply auto layout. Yeah, so center and yeah. So um then you place the text inside so let me just change the color for the text and the icon. So have it as white. Yeah. So send to front. Let me increase the size of this so you can have a clear view. Yeah, so we have two rectangles, then we have the text and the icon as auto layout here. So you can um align everything together. Yeah, doesn't matter. Yeah, it matters, sorry. Then you select the text and the icon frame, then also the first rectangle, right? So you apply auto layout to them as well. Yeah, same thing. Then you select the second rectangle. Now what you need to do on the second rectangle is that you apply shadow, right? So the first thing you do is to apply the first shadow. I'll be applying two shadows here. So the first shadow is going to be so your x is going to be, at least for now, 0. Your y is going to be so your blur is going to be 0. Then the spread is going to be 2. So that's 2. So that's the first one. Let me zoom in so you can see clearly. Yep. Then we apply the second shadow, which is going to be just add to the shadow, which is going to be white, right? So let me make this one black. That is 100% black, right? Then the second one is going to be 100% white, yeah. Then 100. Same setting as the last one, 0 0, but the spread here is going to be 1 instead of 2. Now we have this, right? So this is the first frame. This is what it looks like, still plain. So we're applying this shadow on the second rectangle, which is not a frame yet. All right. So I haven't done that. Just select the two together, the first frame and the rectangle, and you apply auto layout. Realize that you can't see your shadow anymore. It's not a big deal. So yeah, center. Okay. So you have to just to clip content, then you'll be able to see everything, again. So now you have your shadow option here. So how do you get to apply this shadow to make it look like to make it look like this, right? So let me just hide this one. So basically it's responsive now. You can easily click and do whatever you want to do, and yeah. So just to place the shadow in that position. So then you select your first shadow, right? Then you can give X, let's say like 4, you give Y 4. And the second shadow, the same thing, right? 4, then 4, right? So let's work. So this is what we have now. Now let's work on our spread. So this is the spread for for white. Then just adjust the spread a bit. So we have -2. Then our the second can be let's say 0, and here we go. You can make it create account. It's responsive. It's create account. Yeah, we can duplicate this and you know uh, yeah, and you can choose to use it on a different page. So create accounts and so whatever you want to do, and yeah, thank you. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section.